Sometimes on X or Twitter, updates related to X or their products may come. When any update is coming related to X or their products, if you want to get these kinds of notifications in your email, you can enable that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to enable this notification. For this, open the X app. After that, up top you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, you can see Settings and Support. Click on this. And here you can see Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. When you click on that, here you can see Notifications. Click on Notifications. And here you can see Preferences. Click on this. When you click on that, here you can see Email Notifications. Click on this. And when you click on that, here you can see Email Notifications. If it's turned off, just enable it. After that, here you can see from X under that you can see news about updates to X products and features. Sometimes it'll be turned off. If it's turned off, what you need to do is enable this. After this, you'll get these kinds of notifications. So, this way you can easily enable these notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.